Luigi, I just saw a firework. You have to trust me. Look, I just saw a firework. Let's turn off the lights. Luigi, I promise. I just saw a freaking firework. Luigi, I'm so proud of myself. Mario, wait, what's today's date? It's the 4th of July. Oh my gosh, Mario. Is that the firework? No, that's just a light. Wait, Luigi, I promise. There were a lot of fireworks over here. Oh, sure. No, literally, I did saw them. They're like like all the way over there. Okay, Mario, I trust you because I heard a lot of booms. Oh, Luigi, please trust me. Look, I promise. You'll see some fireworks. Okay, some cars passing. Look, I promise. You're gonna see some fireworks. Luigi, you saw that? Oh my gosh, there were fireworks over there. Luigi, there were fireworks over there. What? I'll see them. Oh, Luigi. Wait. Mario, I saw them. Mario, this is so great. Look at those fireworks. I know, Luigi. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my gosh. Today's the 4th of July. What? Yes, it is. Oh, that's cool. Oh my goodness, Luigi. We are so. This is our lucky day, Luigi. Oh my God, Luigi. Well, that was the last thing we done. There we go. We turn on the lights. Okay, Luigi. No, I don't know, Mario. The fireworks were great. Just looking at them makes me happy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay. I guess that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. Oh, guys, here I am. I make the boys from Mario and Luigi. Hi guys. So, this is the 4th of July. I saw some fireworks over there. You can't see it really well, but I promise I saw some fireworks. That's why I wanted to record this. I really wanted to record this since I saw the fireworks, but suddenly they just stopped popping them. They were cool. There was one that was a circle, and then something went the sparks when I threw it, and they were cool. But and I wanted to record it, but I couldn't find my phone. So wait. Oh, here it is. Shoot. I could have used my camera, but I really didn't want to use my camera. I would take some time looking for it. Well, guys, this video, I promise, is gonna be posted on the 4th of July. So, you guys will be watching it in the 4th of July. Or maybe another day, but I posted on the 4th of July. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And it's really, really hot in here. Our air conditioning doesn't work. I have this fan. And that's why you hear sometimes on my videos this sound. Yeah. Oh, guys, those fireworks they weren't real. I think you guys noticed. There were just effects that I put in. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. And see you guys soon. Goodbye.